Let's get back to our chief meteorologist, Albert Ramon, in the weather sphere now, and we're talking about these strong winds after the tornadoes. Now, another potential threat, Albert.
Yeah, 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, not severe winds in terms of thunderstorm activity, but let me show you the weather map for tomorrow morning. UP of Michigan, northern Wisconsin, aggressive area of low pressure, and rotating around it will be these winds, first out of the south and then on the back side of it coming in out of the northwest tomorrow afternoon. Ahead of it, there's a few showers, but there's no severe weather, no significant rain chance as we head towards tomorrow. The big deal is going to be these winds tomorrow, starting first thing tomorrow morning. Again, 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts across the area. A high wind warning is in place starting at 1 a.m. through 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. For Sunday, that's another weather system. It's another strong area of low pressure, but this one comes in with a 100% chance of rain and even some thunderstorms and really cold air behind it. And the moisture lingers, and now we have a winter storm in the making on Monday. A weather alert now posted for the Monday morning commute for the threat of blowing snow, accumulating snow. It may be a rough start to the work week. Right now, we have some rain showers coming in out of the west. This is light activity mainly over Iowa. There's a few areas of moderate rain and at times maybe some graupel, some of those small little areas of small hail, soft hail as we call it. Temperatures right now in the low 40s, but it's in the 30s above our head. That's why we may get a little bit of a wintry mix. You'll see that here on the hour-by-hour forecast. Cloudy and dry now, but after midnight, some light showers roll on in. And notice around 2:30 in the morning, again, a little wintry mix will be possible pushing off towards the east. We're dry tomorrow morning. Temperatures upper 30s and low 40s at 7 a.m. But the big headline for tomorrow morning, widespread winds. They'll certainly be over 50 miles per hour after sunrise for tomorrow. And between sunrise and the early afternoon, periods of wind gusts as high as 55, if not 60 miles per hour. It won't be until after sunset for tomorrow evening. Watch as the winds will decrease, and around this time tomorrow night, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So it's a busy day for tomorrow with the wind. Weather alert is posted for the potential for not just power outages, but also trees down, so some damage possible. High profile vehicles, take note. Semis, SUVs. We got problems for tomorrow. 42 with a few areas of light rain and snow. Storms likely in 59 with a 100% chance of rain on Sunday. And then a weather alert posted Monday. Accumulating blowing snow now in the forecast Sunday night and for the first half on Monday. Accumulation amounts could exceed 3 inches, at least in some spots. We'll keep an eye on it for you. And the cold air's with us, only in the 20s Monday and Tuesday. Look how we'll start the day, Eric and Joe, on Tuesday morning. 8 degrees, that's wind chills below zero. Back to you.
Okay, Albert, thank you.